Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 4 1-minute thrift flips. These are super simple. I did all of them by hand and some of them only require like one step. And if you like anything that I design in this video, I'm putting it on my Etsy account, Brooklyn Impact. I'll put the link down below. If you don't see the items in my Etsy shop, wait about a week just in case I need to fix things before uploading it. So we have some roses here in the pile. We got some tie-dyed lace. We got this thing, which I have no idea what to call it. And then we have these white strips. And the first thing I'm going to upcycle is the red top. This top is super cute, but it is very plain, so I decided to sew these red roses on them on the seam line. So next are these blue shorts. All I'm going to do is cut a small, very long rectangle in this section of the jeans. I don't know what that's called, but I'm just going to cut a long triangle and then sew this in between it. Oh my god, this is so much harder than I thought. There's literally like 4 layers in this one pair of jeans. So now I'm going to individually sew each circle in. So for these jeans, I'm going to get rid of this belt loop and create a tie right here, a cut and a tie. These are actually originally too big. These are huge. You're supposed to use like something the size of a shoelace, but I don't have it. So we're going to try and work with these. Shirt is this white top. You might recognize it from my tie-dye video. I had tie-dyed the lace of it, but now we're upcycling the top. I had to change my whole design because I didn't realize, but there's a rip in this. So what I'm planning to do with this is cut all around it, just keeping the little denim parts because I really like it, and then using the outline of this shirt to put on here to sew the lace instead of having the white. In order to do this, first thing I'm going to do is cut the lace off. And now I'm going to cut along everything at least a ½ inch out so I have seam allowance to sew the rest of the lace in. So this is my front. I'm going to lay it flat down and put the lace that I want for the front on top of it. And I'm going to cut an inch up all around for seam allowance. And now I'm going to pin it to the top of this to sew. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below which was your favorite thrift flip.